understand this program? Did you do it? Okay. Let me just try to right click run as Java application. And yes, this is the program. This is the program. Now, let me just try to help you with this. I just want to analyze. I want to analyze this program. Kindly please help me with that. All right. Okay. Now. So Karthik, explain the code. Guys, that's exactly what I said. I want you to analyze the code, I said. Please don't completely rely on each and every program. At this particular point, you already know what is a class. You already know what is a method. You already know what is a constructor. So just try. Just try. Anyways, I'll explain the code. I'm not saying no for that, but I want you to try. Okay, guys, offline students, honestly tell me how many of you understand this program? Raise your hands. Almost everyone. Down. That's very impressive. That is very impressive. So understand. Okay. Anyways, I'll explain the code. Let's try to check with this. All right. So guys, tell me in my program right now, in my program, how many methods are there and how many constructors are there? Let us check. What is this? What is this? What is this? I mean, which constructor? Non-parameterized constructor. What is this? Parameterized constructor. What is this? I'm sorry? Constructor or a method? I'm sorry? What is the return type of this method? What is the access modifier for this method? Come on. Okay. What is this method? This is also method. This is also constructor. This is also constructor. And obviously this is main method. So totally when we count constructors, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 constructors. Let us count methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 constructors, 4 methods. And we already know that every Java program execution starts from, let's directly go to main method. Inside the main method, in line number 45, new. You already know what is the use of new. Creating and initializing that object with the help of a which constructor? Yeah, in class A there are 4 constructors. Which constructor? Exactly, non-parameterized constructor. So from line number 45, directly our compiler will be going to non-parameterized constructor of class A. That is line number 5. Okay, system.out.println Sunday will be printed. After that, new. Okay, one more object we are creating. You already know that we can create any number of objects, right? So yeah, we are creating an object with the help of new keyword and initializing that object with the help of a which constructor? In class A, there are 3 parameterized constructors. Which parameterized constructor you are using? A constructor which is having int as a parameter. Yes or no here? So this is one constructor. Let us consider this is first constructor and this is second constructor which is having only one parameter. What is this constructor parameter? Respond. What is this constructor parameter? Which constructor we are using? So from line number 8, our compiler will be directly coming to line number 13. That is absolutely correct. What is the value of temp? Temp value is 10. Okay, and now system.out.println Saturday will be printed. Yes, and after that again in line number 16 we are creating an object with the help of new keyword and continue and initializing that object with the help of a, I mean, which constructor? In class A, there are obviously 3 parameterized constructors. Which constructor you are using? A constructor which is having 2 parameters, both are int parameters. I hope you're understanding the point. Okay, so from line number 16, directly we should be coming to line number 34. Could you please tell me what is the value of data? What is the value of temp? Temp value is 20. Okay, system dot out dot println Thursday will be printed. After that, in line number 37, we are having a small arrow kind of symbol. Okay, and after that, plus I already said this. Whenever you are having a string data, after that, if you are writing plus, what is happening there? Concatenation means joining. Okay, you are joining this. Is that a string value? Is that a string value? How do you know it? Present inside double quotes. Okay, so this is a string value. You are trying to join that with something. Okay, so first we need to get what is that something. So here I'll try to write like this. Okay, plus data. What is the value of data? 10 plus we actually don't know this. Am I right or wrong? So what we need to do? What we need to do? First we need to execute. Okay, what is happening here? I'm sorry? And with the help of a which constructor? Parameterized constructor. Okay, in class here we are having three parameterized constructor. Which constructor? Okay, so from here directly our compile will be coming to here. Am I right or wrong? Tell me what is S value. Okay, system.out.println. Yes, that is I will be printed. Are there any statements left behind? So from here, after executing line number 41, directly our compile will be coming to and we are calling. Okay, let's go to method 2. What method 2 is returning? So 10 plus 99 minus temp. What is the value of temp? So what is the total value? That will be printed. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay, okay. Now coming back. Okay, all the statements got executed here. So let's directly come back to here. Now tell me, line number 17. AOBJ dot method 1. What is the value returned by method 1? You need to respond. 100 plus temp. What is the value of temp? 10. Total A value is, so here just A value is 110. Okay. Now system.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. A small error mark plus A. What is A value? 110 plus we are actually calling method 2. What is the value returned by method 2? 99. So what is the total value, guys? 209. That's exactly will be our output. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay, and after that, system.out.println Monday. Yes, Monday will be printed, and from where we are calling here, right? So line number 9, line number 9, Tuesday will be printed. After that, in line number 10, we are having an equal to, and you know that whenever we are having an equal to, always start analyzing it from the right side. Okay, in right side, what is happening here? What is happening here? We are calling a method. Yes or no here? Which method? Display method. Like display method is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Parameterized method. How many parameters? Type. So from here directly, yes. What is S value? Challenge accepted. And then system.out.println. In the next statement, I am returning string value will be printed. And after that, display method is returning. Yes, whatever display method is returning, we are storing in string S. Now here I have a question. Is it mandatory that I should be taking yes only, or else can I use any other identifier name? I can go with any other identifier name, guys. No problem. You know that, right? Okay, now what is the value present inside this val? What is the value? Challenge, accept. That's exactly what we are printing here. And then finally, okay, let us come back to your main method. Finally, what is our last output? Output verified. I believe it's clear, guys, for everyone. Online students, I want you to please respond, guys. Karthik, buddy, is that clear? Karthik, Sarfraz, please respond. Please respond, guys. Okay. All right. That is good. That is great. Shall I go with one more task? Let's go. I want to give you one more task, please. Please. Come on, please. Whenever that concept comes, I'll let you know. Sarfaraj, please concentrate on the concept right now. So for this program, let's see who will be giving the correct output. Guys, seriously, it's okay to take time. It's okay. You should understand constructors concept very clearly. So no problem, please. And yes, feel free to discuss the program. You should analyze it clearly. Where are the parentheses? Where is plus symbol? Please analyze it correctly. up to test method 2 completed for everyone? Okay. Not done. That's it. Guys, a small change. Sorry, just listen, listen. Starting, you have written test method, right? Please make it as test method 1. Test method 1. That's it. Enough. Please. Please carry on. That's it. That's the code. And let's see who will be giving the correct output. Take this as a challenge, guys. And I strongly advise you to discuss why today's strength is less. Weekend, so come on. Just follow the basics. Follow the basics. It may take time. It's okay to take time, but I want you to solve it. Guys, seriously, please discuss. 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 Guys, what is that A? What is A? Which variable? A, local variable. Who said local variable? A is which variable? In how many ways we can access that instance variable? What are those? Identifier name and class object. Remember that. What is happening in line number 43? Yeah, we are accessing an instance variable with the help of class object. Yes or no? Please carry on. Start from the basics. Don't forget the basics. Don't forget the basics. Take time. Take time. It's okay. No problem. Are you sure? Are you sure? What is this? Check it one more time. Yeah, Yogesh, that is good. Check it one more time, Yogesh. You need to analyze line number 10 correctly. 90% of the people will be doing mistake at line number 10. Check open braces and close braces correctly. Then you will understand what is happening in line number 10. Check open braces and close braces correctly. Again, I am saying. Discuss, discuss. Please discuss. Use rough work. Use shortcuts. Are you sure? Check it one more time. Don't give up. Please don't give up. How many of you completed the output? Raise your hands. Completed, raise your hands. Only two. Carry on, carry on. Take time. It's okay. Take time. I want you to know that feeling. Once you work hard and after that getting the correct output, or else you will be getting wrong output and then you will be learning the concept. There is your output. Okay, good. Please confirm me this. Are you going to get it or not? Just please check and do let me know one more time. Just confirm. Small mistake. Small, very, very small. Perfectly done. Perfectly done. Show me. You show me, please. Perfectly done. Done. Amma, you are having a small mistake. You miss one small concept. Here, you missed one small concept. Check it clearly. Come on, come on. Output. Come on, come on, come on. Don't give up. Perfectly done. Guys, if you completed, try explaining the code. There is nothing wrong in explaining. See, trust me, if you are discussing the code, it will enhance your skills. Then, come on, do it, do it, do it. You need to discuss. Small mistake. Wrong. Most of the people will be wrong not because you don't know the concept. It's because you will be getting confused at line number 10. Please don't get confused at line number 10. Line number 10 completely decides your output, whether it is right or wrong. But small mistake. Small mistake. Very, very small mistake. Small mistake. Small mistake. Perfectly done. Please show me. Show me. Please show me. I love to see. Perfectly done. Two more minutes. After that, I'm going to reveal the output. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Small mistake. Online students, only very few people are giving. Okay, Anjireddy, Bhavya. Sudendra. No need to replay. I mean, copy paste the same content, buddy. Perfectly done. Good job. Small mistake. Oh, okay, fine. What is this? 30. Small mistake. Very, very small mistake. All right. All right. Time's up. Guys, please raise. How many of you done the program? Raise your hands. Okay. 70. No. 10 to 20%. 20%. Okay. Guys, listen. Listen, listen. Stop discussing. Irrespective of right output or wrong output. I don't mind whether it is right or wrong. How many of you got the output? Raise your hands. Come on. Good. Down. That is very good. Down. Now, let me try to show you the output. Right click, run as Java application. Hang on. Before going to that output, line number 10, tell me, what is the return type of test method 1? Come on. Come on. Return type of test method 1 is string. So, actually, in test method 1, I am writing the code. Sorry. I'm writing the code like this. Okay. Now, you need to analyze it like this. First, you need to call test method 3. But in order to call test method 3, first you need to call test method 2. After test method 2, you should call test method 3 and then plus. Means, for example, just for example, let us think that X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. This is given by test method 3. This value is, just for example, this value is given by test method 3. Okay. Plus some ABC. This value is given by test method 4. Guys, are you understanding me? Now, what is the value returned by test method 1? XYZ plus ABC. Are you understanding the point here? You should understand this line clearly. If you understand this line clearly, easily you will be able to work on it. Anyways, let me just try to explain. Coming to our program. All right. Yep. Every Java program execution starts from main method. Okay. First, let me try to show you the program output. Right click, run as Java application. This is the output. Okay. I'll do one thing. Guys, I'll give you 4 minutes time to analyze this program. After that, I'll explain. What do you say? Is that okay? Yes or no, yaar? Please. 4 minutes starting from now. I'll give you 4 minutes time to understand this program. After that, I'm going to explain this. Carry on. Please discuss. Please discuss. If you got your correct output, feel free to explain it to others. There's nothing wrong in asking and nothing wrong in explaining. You will learn. Minutes. One last minute. And done. All right. Guys, time up. Time up, time up. Please stop discussing. Please stop discussing, please. Okay. Now, guys, listen. Please help me understanding this program. You tell, you need to involve in this program explanation. Okay. Please tell me. Tell me, every Java program execution starts from, let's directly come from main method. Okay. In main method at line number 42, what is happening in line number 42? What is happening in line number 42? With the help of creating an object with the help of new keyword. One more time. Creating an object with the help of and initializing that object with the help of which constructor? Class B parameterized or non-parameterized? So from here directly let's come to non-parameterized constructor. So system.out.println hi. That will be, must be, should be our first output. Okay, only one statement is there. Hi got printed. Now coming back again to the main method. T1 dot A equal to 10. A. What is this A? A is which variable? You need to answer. Instance variable. Okay, you already know that we can access instance variable in how many ways? What are those? Identifier name and yeah, here how I am accessing my instance variable. Tell me. Identifier name. Am I accessing with identifier name? No. What is this? Class object. Guys, are you understanding the point here? Respond. Okay. We are just assigning some value as 10. Fine. Now, line number 44. Tell me what is happening in line number 44. Creating an object with the help of and initializing that object with the help of which constructor? Parameterizer constructor of class B. Okay, directly let's from here coming to here. What is A value? What is A value? And after that, system outdoor printer and Java is awesome. Yeah, it got printed. Coming back. T2.a equal to 30. Okay, this 10 belongs to T1.a. This 30 belongs to T2.a. Okay, fine. Now system.out.println. Okay, now system.out.println Java plus something plus space plus something. I hope I understand the point here. Now, first Java, we already know that. After that, in order to know this, in order to know this question mark, first we need to call this method. Am I right or wrong? Let's directly go to method one. Method one. Okay. New. What is happening here? Respond. Creating an object. The people who are responding are able to analyze this program. You can check among yourselves. If you are not responding, you are unable to analyze. So please. Okay. Now, new keyword. It is used to create an object. And after that, what is happening here? Initializing that object with the help of a constructor. Parameterized or non-parameterized? How many parameters? Type enter one string from here directly. Where is our here? Now tell me what is A value, guys? A value is 100, B value is 200, S value is amazing. S value is Java. That's exactly the content here. Okay. Let me make it as small j. All right. Now system.out.println A plus B. A plus B. Am I getting my output 300? System.out.println yes. What is value of S? Java. Am I getting that value Java? Yes. Are there any statements left behind? Directly coming back to our calling method here. After that, in line number 9, system.out.println. Yeah, I mean, very simple. 40 will be printed. Up to here, how many of you are correct? Raise your hands. Almost everyone. Down. Exactly. Up to here, almost everyone is correct. After that, you just got confused. It's not like you don't know. It's more like just confused. Okay, let me just try to help you with this. Now, in line number 10, okay, line number 10, return. By the way, this method one return type is string. Okay, so obviously it should return a string value. In line number 10, return new class B dot test method 3. Up to here, this is just a second. Up to here, one value is returned by test method 3. And after that, from here to here, one more value is returned by test method 4. these both values concatenating with the help of plus symbol. And simultaneously, we are returning from test method 1. So first we need to call test method 3. Are you understanding the point? But if we want to call test method 3, okay, let me show you. Test method 3. Is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? First, we are supposed to know what is the value of this A. I hope you understand the point. Did I directly give A value here? No. Instead of giving directly, what I'm doing, I'm calling method 2. How I'm calling method 2? With the help of an object. So first, new. Tell me what is happening here. Creating an object and initializing that object with the help of a which constructor? Parameterized constructor. So from here, directly our compile will be coming to here. System.out.println. Java is awesome. And guys, how high got printed? Just a second. Class B? Yes or no, yeah? Class B. Here first we are trying to create an object, right? So first we are trying to create an object with the help of new keyword and initializing that object with the help of a which constructor? Respond. Non-parameter. So first I got printed. Okay. Up to here, fine. Now we need to call method 3. But in order to call method 3, we should be knowing the parameter value of method 3. In order to know the parameter value of method 3, what I'm doing first, I'm trying to create an object and then I'm trying to call my method 2. So let me from here directly come to here. What is A value? Tell me. And system.out.println Java is awesome. So up to here we'll be getting. After that we are calling test method 2. So test method 2. Tell me system.out.println. Am I getting my output 50? And what is the value returned by test method 2? I'm sorry, 25. So in the place of this, can I directly write 25? I hope you're understanding the point here. Just for understanding purpose. Online students, I want you to please respond. Online students, please respond. Please respond. Did you understand how we got this 25? You need to respond, guys. That is good. That is good. That is good. Okay. Now, so guys, we got our value. Which value? Parameter for method 3. I hope you're understanding the point. So tell me, for next, which method we need to call? Method 3. Yes or no here? Okay, from here directly coming to method 3. Tell me, what is A value? What is A value? 25. Okay, system.out.println 18. Yes, 18 is getting printed. And after that, test method 3 is returning is. So what I need to write? Tell me. What test method 3 is returning is. Just let me try to write is completed. So I'll do one thing. Let me remove this entire thing and only I'm having is return is. It's a string value. I hope you're understanding the point here. Okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me, for our understanding purpose, I'm just trying to write it like is plus. We'll do one thing. Instead of this, is plus whatever test method 4 is returning. Okay, coming back to our program. Now, coming back here. So, new. Come on, tell me new. Class B. We are creating an object. So, directly, where is our default constructor? I mean, parameter, non-parameter constructor here. So am I getting my output high? Yes. And after that, we are calling test method 4. Okay, where is our test method 4? Test method 4. What is S value? S value is high. Okay, coming to test method 4 and system.out.println 88. And after the test method 4 is returning good. That is the string value. So in the place of test method 4, can I directly write a string value GO very good like this? Now, totally, what test method 1 is returning? Tell me guys, is good. Okay, now test method 1 is returning is good to main method. So Java plus, what is this question mark? That is amazing. Is good. Okay, we got the output. After that, plus a small space, and what is this question mark? Okay, T1 dot A. What is T1 dot A? 10 plus T2 dot A, 30. 10 plus 30 minus 30. So what is our last question mark? That will be our output. I believe it's clear, guys. Online students, I want you to please respond, guys. Please respond. Online students, please respond. That is very good. That is very good. So, guys, did you understand where you got confused? I believe it's clear, guys. Okay. I have a task. Listen, boys, listen. Right now, my task is yesterday we have written a program. Today we have seen a program. Basing on these programs, I want you to write one more program like this. Now, without referring. If you want to refer, take 2 minutes time, refer the program and try to write your own program right now. Go ahead. Don't copy paste. Are you understanding me? Hey, yes or no here? I created a program and I'm giving you, okay, you're able to analyze it, but I want you to create a program. Create a program, write a program, and please give that program to your neighbor right now. Your neighbor should analyze it. And you take your neighbor's program. Come on, go ahead. Start it. Make sure every method should be a parameterized method. Make it complicated. One more time I am saying, you create a program by your own, give that program to your friend to guess the output. If your friend is unable to guess the output, he should be giving you a party. Yeah, take it. Challenge. There should be a challenge. Online, Sumit, I know it's online, you cannot share the code. For online students, you need to write the code by your own. Don't refer. Seriously, don't refer. Start writing the program. Start writing the program. Minimum you should be having 4 constructors, 4 methods. Minimum you should be having 4 constructors, 4 methods. Start. And from main method, guys, listen. From main method, you should not call any method. From main method, you should not call any method. From main method, feel free to call any one constructor. Only one constructor. Only one constructor. Every constructor should be getting executed. Every method should be getting executed. Start. Inside the main method, you just need to call only one constructor. Don't call a method. Your program should be having 4 constructors, 4 methods. 4 constructors, 4 methods. I don't mind whether parameterized or non-parameterized methods, return types, or I don't mind it. But 4 constructors, 4 methods. Don't refer. Don't refer. If you are referring, you are copy pasting. Don't refer. One more time I am saying, your program should be having 4 constructors, 4 methods. From the main method, you should call only one constructor. That's it. Don't refer. Don't refer. Your wish. From main method, you just need to call only one constructor. And that single constructor can be anything. Parameterized constructor, non-parameterized constructor, I don't mind. But only one constructor you need to call from the main method. Come on, go ahead. Don't refer. Don't refer. Four constructors, 4 methods. From main method, you need to call only one constructor. Only one constructor. Don't refer. Don't refer. Please. If you are referring, you are copy pasting. Write it by your own. You may get an error. No problem. There is nothing wrong in getting an error. You will learn it. But write. Right, right, right. Exactly. You are thinking about the code, right? That's exactly what I need. Come on. Come on. Four constructors, 4 methods. From main method, you should call only one constructor. Don't call any method from the main method. Please don't call any method from the main method. You should call only one constructor from the main method, but each and every constructor present in your program, each and every method present in your program should be getting executed. Don't refer. Don't refer. Referring, you're copy pasting. If anyone completed, please raise a hand. Just write only one statement. Inside a constructor, only one statement. Inside a method, one statement. I just want you to write a constructor and write a method. That's it. What code you are going to write, that I don't mind. I just want you to write it. Rahul, not right now. First, complete the task, please. If anyone completed, show me. Not only analyzing the program, you are supposed to write the program. Don't refer. Don't refer. Don't refer. Just try. Just you try first. Just try. Please don't refer. Just try. Don't refer. No one completed up to now. In a class of nearly 250 students, no one completed the task. Show me, please. Sit down. It's okay. Sit down. Sit down. Hold. Okay. From here, what's happening? Tell me. Go. No. There is a default constructor. I mean, non-parameterized constructor. Check it correctly. Check it correctly. 100. What is this? All right, guys, time's up. Time's up. Sit down. Okay, guys, listen. Listen. It's okay. Listen. Boys, this is Java. Yes. Whenever you are writing the code, you are getting some doubts, right? Can I write here return statement or not? Can I write, I mean, what I need to write inside the parenthesis, what I need to write whenever we are calling, how to call a method, how to call a constructor. This is Java. If you are listening, it's just like any other programming language. But if you are not practicing, you cannot enjoy Java. That's the problem here. Guys, see, in my class, if I said one program, similar to that program, you should write 10 to 15 programs. Similar to that kind of programs. But what is happening here, you're coming to the classes, you're attending to the classes, and very nicely you are giving the responses to the answers and you are analyzing the program, but you are not writing the program by your own. I want you to write the program by your own. I hope you're understanding what's the problem right now. Respond, guys. So practice in that manner. I want you to write the code by your own. In the classroom, I'll make you respond. I'll ask you questions. You will respond. I'll make you analyze. But once you went out from the class, I may not be able to, not may not be, I will not be able to make you write the code. But that is actually practicing. So tomorrow is Sunday. Up to now, what are the programs which we have covered? Just look at that program and try to write your own program. Means check 2 to 3 programs. Are you understanding me? Yes or no? Yeah. Mix 2 to 3 programs as one program in your code. In your program, try to mix 2 to 3 programs. You will get error, no problem. Let them come. Solve it. Solve it. Once you solved it, that feeling will be nice. If you're unable to solve it, bring the laptop. I'll be there for you. Right. Like that. Am I clear with this, guys? Please write the program by your own. You are supposed to write the program by your own. So this task, whatever the task which I have given, please don't end this task right now only. Very few people are trying to do this task. Still, a lot of people are supposed to complete this. So make sure you are completing this task by tomorrow. Can you please do that? Yes or no, yeah? Make sure, make sure. And Monday, we'll be trying to discuss about some more new concepts on our constructors concept. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic weekend. See you again on Monday. Thank you. Later. Later. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's session, guys. And guys, this is for you also. I mean, see, you guys are listening. You guys are listening, but you should practice. You should practice. Please practice. Please practice. Then only you will be able to write the code. Okay. Nikhil, is there any trouble? Nikhil, please respond, buddy. If you face any trouble, do let me know. It's not tough, Bardwaj. You just need to practice. That is the reason I'm giving you these tasks. You just need to practice. Rahul, Rahul, I will respond to online students, Rahul. Sir, plus sign is concatenation for string. Can you explain? It's a bit confusing. What I said, Rahul? I told you, Rahul, it's not right now. I said I'm gonna explain you, right? You need to wait for that, Rahul, please. I hope you're understanding. And actually, I already explained that plus symbol. But again, I'll explain, but not exactly right now. Why? Because the students are in the in the middle of a task, right? At that particular time, I may not be able to explain that concept for you, right? In our string handling, again, we'll be discussing that. Don't worry. Right, right. Sumit, constructor is one of the most easiest concept in entire core Java. If you are facing this as tough, you'll be having a trouble. Ramcharan, it is one type of a special method. It is one type of a special method. Why special? Wait for it. Okay. All right, guys. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. See you on Monday. Thank you, guys.